welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy this video. My kids made this wish list really late this year. Anthony is all about the games, but he wanted a laptop for school. And Angelina loves slimes, but she wished for a dog every Christmas. We love Hobby Lobby, where we can find anything. What is that?
That's just lip and I wanted an ant farm. This looks cool.
He likes the fly trap in that.
Oh.
The fly trap garden. Which one do you want for him?
Are these this one?
So which one do you think Angel gonna like? That one? Okay, got it? So here we are at the Vietnamese cuisine. This place has really good food and clean, very friendly environment. All the food here are super delicious. You can tell by the picture here. So the traffic is very bad now, and the weather is not looking good either. It rained all night last night. So now I'm on the way to the mall, pick up some stuff, last minute gifts for the kids. Today is the 24th of December, so I think everyone goes to the mall or, you know, some place to get the last minute gifts. And then almost everyone will have the day off tomorrow because almost everywhere will be closed tomorrow.
In 0.1 miles, turn right, and then turn left.
I love this app, the Waze app. I love it. We can change the voice of the person that talking, showing us the direction. My son just changed it to Santa Claus voice. So it sounds very Christmassy. Look at how busy the traffic.
Turn right.
Okay, so here I am at the first stop for today.
Turn right.
Okay, so I'm ready to come inside to pick up some gifts for my kids. Let's come in. Where I can come pick up the gifts that I order online?
They're downstairs, like you're gonna go outside.
I can see it from here. I never pick up online order at this place, so something new. So here it is. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good.
Pick up order for Lena.
I'm sorry.
The traffic is worse and worse. Everyone trying to get the last minute gifts, I think. So I'm going to the next stop. Try to get back home soon, wrap the gifts, and get ready for Christmas Eve. Wow, the parking lot is full. I'm good, how are you? I don't want to give money to the kids on holiday or birthday, but they are growing older and older. I'm not sure what to get for them. It is really hard to get what they want. I'm thinking about this one right here. This one is too big. think this is good size. Or I should get a laptop. I'm not sure. Costco has boba ice cream too. Wow, amazing. Yeah, I love the shrimp wonton ramen. It's really good. And of course this baguette. I have it in my freezer so I can get it anytime. These are limit 1 per person, well, per customer. I think I'm done. Wow, it's a full cart. Look at this. Yeah, I got a lot of things that ready to bake. And some flour. Wow. Look at how busy Costco. Okay, it's gonna be my turn soon. There are a few more hours until dinner, so gotta be hurry. Hope the traffic not gonna be bad on the way home. I'm gonna try this for the first time. It's cooked, so it's gonna be quick and try to save time with this peeled garlic. And my kids love this. Now it's done. Ready for dinner. Yummy. And this is the last one. Looks so good. Oh my God, looks delicious. Look at this. Some salad. Looks so good, especially the seafood here. Yeah. So let's see. It is a fail on building a gingerbread house. We didn't have everything. Actually, it didn't come with everything. So Angelina decided to make a cocoa for everyone. Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. I hope everyone having a wonderful holiday season. Wishing everyone a warm and healthy and joyful Christmas. So earlier today it was raining and I was wishing that it could be, you know, snowing on Christmas Eve, and it is true, it comes true. There's snowing outside, so let's come outside. Look at this. It is super cold, but it is snowing. Oh my God, look at this. It's right on Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2020. Love it. Let me try to make a heart. Look at that. Now we're gonna get some milk and cookie for Santa. Anthony, gonna do the milk and you're gonna write something? Milk and cookies for Santa. Okay, so now we have cookie and milk. Santa milk and cookies for Santa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Look at what Santa given this year. On nothing. And check the stocking too. The red one is yours. Like it?
Yes. It's a smartwatch, but Hello Kitty version.
Well, the third one. Fourth one. Okay. So Anthony.
I got AirPod case.
The second one, huh?
The second one.
So next, what we're gonna open? What is that? Okay, so look for your name. Oh, naughty or nice? Oh, nice. Who's naughty? Okay, open it. Unbox it. Anthony can't wait to see what's inside. Or nothing inside. Why is it so small? Okay, so this is what Antonina got.
For you, Anthony, keep up the good work at school. Be nice to your parents and sisters. From Santa. P.S. Your laptop is on its way to you soon.
So there's nothing today. What do you get?
A laptop.
Is that what you wish for, Anthony?
Yes.
How about Angel? You like this one? Let's go. What's the name?
Anthony Vlog.
Ooh, look at that. Merry Christmas. It's time for Anthony to give us his handmade gifts. Cards, of course, for every special occasion. Here is a gift that Anthony gave to his sister Angelina.
Mini brands.
Now it is Angelina's turn, giving us her handmade presents. She made this pretty wreath. Very nice. And also the snow globe. She made it very, very beautiful. She also given Anthony what he wanted, fly trap. Now it's mine. Angelina made me a winter wonderland. Beautiful. And of course, a card, Christmas card. She handmade it. Next are store-bought presents. We got shoes. The same for both of us. Shoes from Valentino. I also got him few spray deodorant. Yeah. Try this from Hermes. see how they are. For this year, we stay home a lot. I think everyone does. So we decided to buy something for our home. Items from Hermes homeware. Here it is. A pillow. Love the color. The orange. So classic. This is Avalon style. And a blanket. It is so thick and luxurious. So cozy. One side has more cream color and the other side has more orange and letter H all over. This small orange box is a box for a scarf from Hermes. I already had it opened a while ago, so I could take it to Hobby Lobby to have it framed, and now it's on the wall. There are more boxes in the back, as you can see there, but I will have them unboxed officially, so I can end this video here. We all got something, but the most important thing is we got each other as a family. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Stay healthy and safe. See you next time.